far.
Oh, how far is the
An hour and a half. So this cave today is an hour and a half away.
Okay.
And that's because there's no traffic congestion in Chattanooga, which is great.
We should have like learned how to walk.
I had a bunch of big projects and stuff, and one really big project too.
Well, the doctor found out like the treatment for
Last time I was in a group, actually, a beginner group with two. See if that fits. I brought this one too. Like stand up and you realize you forget there's something above you, and like you don't want to hit your head really hard because.
Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, was there something like print out a permit or anything like that? No, I printed it out for us. Okay. Average cost really is 18. But how do I? First of all, right. Okay. When can I? Okay, there we go. Huh?
It's not very bright. Is it on? Right.
Yeah. Is that better? Wow.
Wow, that's so cool.
It's water. It's called gypsum, I think.
Sparkly.
Sometimes it's a lot of water, but I think this is gypsum underneath it. Black gypsum, maybe? Yeah. In the Civil War, nitrate-laden soil from the surrounding area was loaded into large wooden vats. Water poured into those vats was mixed with the soil and allowed to stand for several days. During this time, the nitrates would leach out of the soil and into the water. Here's the map. We entered in down here, entrance 0. So we are basically just traveling up this passageway, not a lot of places to get lost. And then we keep right, and we'll see some Civil War saltpeter work stuff, like they used to mine saltpeter here.
Oh.
And yeah, we just kind of keep right. Right on your eyes.
Kinda, yeah.
Yeah. Under it.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not gonna look for these places. Ooh, there's an end. You can go all the way to the end. But I'm not going to.
No.
There's something fuzzy down there.
Ooh.
I don't know what it is.
Wow.
Out of a T-Rex, the top half. His teeth.
Oh, these are cool. Like sand leaves. I guess just river. Just be careful you don't slip. Because it's very huge.
Nice.
I think, I don't know, maybe it's differences like battery life or something.
So that one has more options. It doesn't have like a green light and a...
So we actually had to go back around this way because we got lost right here.
Okay.
And do you see right here, it doesn't connect.
Oh yeah.
You had to, there is a passage to go down here and then up this way, and there's a pit here, but yeah, it's easiest to go this way.
Okay.
So this right here split in two. I think we went bottom, because this right here is the top passage we went, or no, okay, so we went top passage and then Actually, I think the bottom is easier. So that's probably the way it'll go back. So now we should be at this split, I think.
Arrows point out of the cave?
Yeah, arrows point out of the
So
cave.
this is the arrow.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
That's kind of one way that you can see it.
Okay, hi.
How's it going?
Good. It's going good.
Okay.
Great. Yes.
Okay. Ooh. Thank you. Yeah, I just put it on that rock. Now we'll get another one out.
This is so big. Like over there.
Right here?
So cool.
Yeah. Perfect.
Cracking it.
You can do another one.
Okay. Cool.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah.
The spot. We go here.
Look, it's a heart.
Or should we do the spot here?
The totem gallery is where you see all these, like, yeah, and you see the cords around it that we passed through earlier?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Up here.
Yeah, I start with my legs this way. Yeah. And that helps me to work my way through there.
Oh.
You come and go this way, and then you have to get on your stomach to crawl.
Yeah.
Hi.
like the place where like you can either go down. Who wants to go first?
Yeah, I can't see it. Oh,
We're going up there.
okay.
Wow. Whoa.
And it looks instant. It looks like different canyon.
I think okay, so the map was a little confusing and it looked like there was
Not enough light.
another part called up
Yeah.
dome come out, but I guess the markers are actually saying like here's this part. Do this.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh.
What did you guys bring?
I'm showing.
Don't film me.
How is it?
It's good.
Yes.
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 I don't think I can do it up there.
Let's go, Ace.
You basically have to just use your arms.
Yeah.
Oh no.
What are you doing? Why are you doing that? Why are you making it harder?
Okay. All right. Whatever.
It's more fun that way.
How am I gonna do that?
Go, babe. You can do it. It's so close.
We're almost there.
Warm out here. It's humid.
It'll be warmer and humid or away from the cave.
Well, so let's stay here for a couple minutes.
Whoa, I just got hit with like the heat.
Oh.
Yeah. Heat wave.
Wall. There you go. There you go. One more time. And tilt it up just a little bit. Okay. You see my head.